Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, you're welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning how to make this new pattern. I saw it in my crochet book, so I decided to give it a try and it actually came out fine. And I felt sharing it with you guys would be the best thing to do. So this is like a combination of cluster stitch, single crochet and double crochet basically. And this pattern is actually great. Why? Because you can modify it. You can use it for a summer top. You can use it to make beach covers. Probably you don't want so much holes. You can see is actually very fine. And you can make it more denser than this. All you have to do is just to increase your hook size. So let's get straight into the tutorial. The pattern is in multiples of 6. So any change you're making, let it be in multiples of 6, like 6, 12, 18, like that. So now I've made a total chain of 18 and I added 5 more chains to it. So I'm having 23 chains all together. So right now I have my 23 chains now and I'm going to start my row 1. So to start row 1, I'm going to be inserting a single crochet into the second chain from the hook. This is the first one and this is the second one. So I'll be inserting a single crochet here and I'm going to make a chain of 3. After then, I'm going to skip 2 chains, and single crochet into the next chain space. Then I'm going to chain 3. That means I'm going to skip 2 chains and I'm going to make a single crochet into the third chain. So I'm going to be repeating this all the way for round 1. I'm going to make my chain 3, skip 2 chains, and into the third make a single crochet. So I'll meet you back at the end of row 1. So right now I've come to the end of round 1, and as you can see I'm left with 3 chains. So you're ending this row with a single crochet into the last chain space there. So for round 2 I'm going to make a chain of 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to turn my work to the other side. So for round 2 I'll be making a 3 loop cluster into this chain 3 space. So to make my 3 loop cluster, I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, just like you're making a double crochet, but you won't finish the double crochet. So you can see I have 2 loops, yarn over again, go into the first 2, I have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, that's the third one, and you can see I have 4 loops on the hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 4, and I'm going to make a chain of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then into the next chain 3 space, I'm going to be inserting a single crochet. And I'm going to make a chain of 4. And into the next chain 3 space, I'll be putting another cluster stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, leaving 2 loops. The second one, yarn over. You can see I have 3 loops. Yarn over the third one, pull through 2, and you can see I have my 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. and I'm going to make a chain 4 and into the next chain 3 make a single crochet. So this is what you'll be doing entirely for round 2, and I'll meet you back once I'm done. So right now I've come to the end of round 2, and to finish this row you're going to be making your last cluster stitch into the last chain 3 space there. So remember we made a single crochet at the beginning of the round. So into the single crochet here, I'll be putting a double crochet right into that single crochet. So there I'm done with round 2, and we're going for round 3. So you make a chain 6, then you turn your work to the other side. And for round 3, I'll be putting a single crochet into each of those chain 4 spaces. So put a single crochet here, and I make a chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and single crochet into the next, make a chain 3, and another single crochet into the next, make a chain 3, a single crochet. So this pattern is a repetition of round 2 and round 3. So now I'm at the end of round 3, and to end this row you'll be putting a double crochet into the top of that double crochet we make at the end here. So the top stitch there, we make a double crochet. So right now we have our round 2, round 1, and round 2 and round 3, right? So for round 4 I'll chain 3, I'll flip my work, and I'll be repeating round 2 into round 4. So I'll be putting a cluster stitch right here. You can see, then I'm going to chain 4, and I'm going to single crochet into the next, chain 4, a cluster into the next. So this is what I'll be doing all the way for round 4, and I'll meet you back. So right now I'm back at the end of round 4, and I'm going to put my last cluster into that. You can see, and I'll be putting a single crochet into the third chain. Remember we made a chain 6, so you count 1, 2, 3, and on top of that chain 3 you're going to put a double crochet. So you're going to chain 6, and you're going to turn your work. So for round 5 you'll be repeating round 3. So this is a repetitive pattern, and the pattern is actually great. You can use this to make any outfit of your choice. If you want it a little bit denser than this, then you go bigger with your hook size. Right? So if you try this pattern, you can share your work with me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is crochet_by_Jenny. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon and bye.